What's up everyone? I hope you're all doing well. In this one, I'll be showing you how to run 2 instances of WhatsApp with a few easy steps. Before we get started, I upload informative videos every week, so make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications so you can be alerted every time I post something new. With that out of the way, let's get started. WhatsApp is the most popular instant messaging app in the world with over 1.5 billion users. The app is popular due to its easy-to-use interface and secure end-to-end encryptions. It's great and all, but it is still limited in some ways. For example, you can only use one number at a time. WhatsApp doesn't officially support its users to install multiple accounts on one device, which limits the user because most phones already come with dual SIM card slots. However, I have 2 methods that you can follow through to make it possible. Almost every smartphone has support for dual SIM card slots, allowing you to have 2 different numbers on one device. Android manufacturers such as Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi and Oppo offer a built-in dual account support, which enables you to run 2 instances of almost any app simultaneously. For Samsung devices, go to Settings, Advanced Features, then select Dual Messenger. Enable WhatsApp, and this will create a second icon on your homepage or app drawer. Tap on the new icon to register with your alternative number. These steps will be similar for other manufacturers. For example, for Xiaomi, you just have to look for dual apps. For Oppo, look for Clone App. For Huawei and Honor, look for App Twin. If none of these worked for you, you might want to stick around and check out the alternative method. Cloning apps are not new to Android phones, as many users create clones of apps to keep their personal, work or business lives separate. To clone an app and use it with a third-party software is really simple. With these apps, you can clone any app and run multiple accounts without any trouble. You can have multiple instances of WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, just to mention a few. The one I'm using for this demonstration is Parallel Space, which I'll leave linked in the description. I'll also link other options that you can try out, so make sure to leave a like while you're down there. So once you've downloaded and installed Parallel Space, just choose which app you want to be cloned, and it's really that simple. All of the other alternatives are free and don't require root permission, so you can just check them out down below. That's it for me. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more helpful videos, and until the next one, I'm out.